Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add Klarna as a payment option on your Shopify store in 2025 so your customers can buy now and pay later. Let's jump in. Step 1. From your Shopify admin, click Settings, then go to Payments. Step 2. Scroll down to Alternative Payment Methods and click Choose Alternative Payment. Step 3. In the search bar, type Klarna. Then select the Klarna option that matches your region, like Klarna Payments or Klarna Pay Later. Step 4. Click Activate. Shopify will now prompt you to enter your Klarna merchant ID and shared secret. Step 5. If you don't have these yet, visit Klarna's merchant portal at klarna.com and sign up. Once approved, Klarna will provide your credentials. Step 6. Paste your merchant ID and shared secret into Shopify. Then click Activate Klarna. Step 7. Test the payment method by doing a test purchase on your store or enable test mode in Klarna settings first. Note, Klarna may not be available in all countries. Check Klarna's supported regions before setting it up. That's it. Your Shopify store now accepts Klarna, giving your customers flexible payment options in 2025. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.